Today I will show you how to create this incredible graphic like Iman Gadzhi using DaVinci Resolve. First, let's create the background. Go to FX, grab a Fusion composition and add it to the timeline. Right click on it and select Open in Fusion page. Take a background node and connect it to the media out. Select the background node, go to Type and choose for color. Change the color in the top left to 231884. Copy and paste the color on the top bottom. Now add a keyframe to all four colors. Then move to the end and add new keyframes, changing the color. So the purple becomes black and the black becomes purple. This way the background will animate. Now take another Fusion composition and make sure it's the same length. Enter it at the background node and connect it. Then take a polygon mask, another background, another polygon mask and connect them all. Select the polygon mask and disable the diamond at the bottom. Add a grid and set it to 6 and 12. Now drag a shape using the polygon mask, something like this. Select the wall shape and click the curved line icon. Go back in the polygon mask and increase the border width to 0.002. Make the background white. Then right click diamond at the bottom and choose publish. Press shift spacebar and search for soft glow and temporarily disable it. Now take a rectangular mask and connect to the merge node. Increase soft edge to 0.0262. Then increase the height. Remove the grid, add another merge node, then an ellipse mask and a background node. Move all nodes to the left. Connect the ellipse to the background. Set the background type to gradient. Change the first color to 140E4F. Change the second color to 2820FF. Move the lighter color to the left. Select the ellipse and create an expression on width. Drag the plus sign to height. Then modify it to 0.051. Now add the soft glow again. Go full screen. Increase the gain to 2.953. Glow size to 28.3. Set red to 0, green to 0.104 and blue to 0.79. Now disconnect the soft glow. Press Ctrl C, then Ctrl Shift V. Connect the background to both instances. Add a merge node and connect everything. On the instance gain, glow size and color scale. Lower the gain to 1.575 and the glow size to 4.7. Now select the merge node. Right click on center and click path. Go to modifier and remove the keyframe. At the bottom right click and choose connect to polyline value. Now when you move the displays, it will follow your line. Copy the circle setup. Select the ellipse mask and change the width to 0.027. Go to the background and change the color to 121212. Then change the purple to white. Adjust the shadows. Select the soft glow. Increase gain to 7.72. Glow size to 22.8. In a color scale, set red to 0.13. Green scale to 0.09 and blue scale to 0.51. Copy and paste the white circle 3 more times. Now go to the merge of all circles and move the displacement. Add a merge node, a text node, a soft glow, and finally connect the rectangular mask to the soft glow. Temporarily disable soft glow. Go to a text node and write the word you want. In this case, editing. Use Helvetica Regular as the font. Then go to shading. In the gradient section, set the first color to link purple. Move to the rectangular mask and adjust its lights only on the top part. Increase the soft edge to 0.00205. Select the soft glow. Raise the gain to 3.976. Glow size to 17.3. In color scale, set red to 0.66 and green to 0.299. Now move the Y position of the text merge node down. Then copy and paste the text node and move them upward. Change the text content. Add a DV and increase Y. You can now remove the background. Start the animation from frame 0 to frame 30. Slightly increase the Y value. Then from scale 30 to frame 90, increase Y again. At frame 91, raise the Z move to create a zoom in effect and adjust the rotation X. Select the purple circle nodes and add a purple underlay. This helps indicate that it's the main circle. Now activate the soft glow for the line. Animate the line's appearance by adjusting the length. Then animate the circle's appearance by changing their size. Move to a text and select follower, then modifiers. Change delay to 0.5. In shading, keyframe the opacity and lower it to 0. Go to transform, then X and Y path. Keyframe the Y and move it upward. Do the same for the second text. Go to follower, modifier and increase the delay to 0.5. In shading, keyframe the opacity and lower it to 0. In transform, X and Y path, keyframe Y and move it upward. Then select the rectangular mask and keyframe the X so it appears from the side. Repeat the same for the other mask of the top text. Now animate the sphere movements by keyframing and increase the displacement. Open the spline, select all keyframes and smooth fall. I will be posting new videos soon with even more advanced animations, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like if this video was helpful and write in the comment if anything wasn't clear. I will personally reply to help you out.